to recover Facebook account we don't recognize your device problem. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first step is make sure you do not have Facebook Lite, and if you do, simply uninstall it. After that, open your preferred browser. Facebook Help Center. After that, simply search for recover your Facebook account. And now, if you think your account was hacked, go to facebook.com/hacked and see why, and select the option why you think your account was hacked and continue. After that, start with securing your account, and after you finish all this process, go back, open Meta AI. After that, what you will have to do is log in via Facebook and then chat with it to fix your problem, and it will give you solutions, and then you will be able to fix that. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.